morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I've got another dunk review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can see, this is just another regular dunk box. It's not a fancy SB or anything. It's just a regular dunk. Let's open it and see which one it is. Ooh, you can already see which one it is. And here today we have the Dunk Low Curry. There we are. Just put this here and let's put this here. Wow, what an amazing shoe. As you can see, there we are. Absolutely amazing. Let's start off with the actual leather quality, or should I say suede. Very plush, nappy suede. As you can see, they night quality control. Look at this, they have not perforated this, so it's still got a little bit inside, as you can see, but we can just take this out with a little tweezer. Should not be a problem. But just look at that quality on these curry dunks. So just to let you know, these dunks are inspired by curry. That's why you see these have a lot of tones of browns in them, as you can see, and a nice brown outsole, as you can see there. Then you have the, I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but this is actually a sail color midsole. And then you have this nice light suede toe box, and another almost like a, how can I explain this, in like a nubuck maybe, or suede toe box area. Then you have some nice sail laces with the sail nylon tongue, brown Nike up here. If we go around this swoosh now, you have it in a nice cream color going around all the way to the Nike at the back, which is nicely embroidered in brown. Then you have the brown interior with the white Nike Air in the insole. Very nice. Yeah, so this, as I say, this dunk was inspired by curry. Curry is the Indian dish of, you know, of, you can have it with lamb, chicken. They have a lot of type of curry, and these shoes are inspired by curry. And I must say, it is absolutely best dunk I believe that has come out this year so far. Unquestionably, these are very high grade. The quality are insane on these. As you can see, here is the other pair. My toe box is a bit flat. We just push this through. Oh, this pair is a bit battle damaged, as you can see. Nike quality control not always there. One pair is okay, and this pair has all these. Is there any other issues that I can see? No, so it was just the toe box area has a little stain, but other than that, this is absolutely fine. This is how they look like from the front. Very nice. Here's just side profile. Very nice. The retail on these were 95, I believe. These are the premium editions. Yeah, retro premiums. So these are the premium dunk lows, so they come in better quality, not like all the GR pairs they have been releasing. I will give you a quick on hand shoot, show you how they will look. So if you wear them, this is how they will look like. I still don't have the budget for on feet, I'm sorry, so I'll just give you the on hand. You can hit a bit of moonwalk like this. And yes, all in all, a very nice pair of dunks. The resale you're looking at now is around 260 to 70, so very expensive. If you unfortunately missed out on retail, unfortunately you have to pay the resale, which is quite expensive now. So these will go even higher, I believe, in the future. So if you grab them now, if you like these, grab them now, or they are gonna go even more expensive. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review of the Nike medium curry low dunks. As always, if you like the video, I'm going to catch you on the next one, and as always, Beli da.